So guys, welcome back to part 2. Please watch my part 1 of this print function. If you did not watch it already, then you will understand this part. You can get the link in the description box below. So please do check that out if you did not watch it already. So, so, so today's video's objective is to learn more function of print function or more features of it. So here I have wrote out a poem. So this is the poem. The itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout, and in the second line, down came the rain and washed the spider out. And when we run it, we get this output. But let's say if you want to add a space between them, this is how you do it. You click enter after the first line and type print and just do nothing, or you can just leave a space. But if you just do that, will automatically create this space. But let's say the original poem is written like this. So after the itsy bitsy spider, the word spider, the climb is on the next line, and in the second line, after the rain, the end is on the second line. So there are two ways you can do it: the long way and the short way. So I will teach you both ways. So the long way is you cut this out and go to a next line and type the rest of the line. But the short way is very simple. So this is how the short way works. First I will show you, then I will explain you. And now I will run this. As you see, I get the result I wanted. So this backslash and n, they form a very special symbol. That backslash means or is called the escape character. The word escape must be understood specifically. It has a different meaning in this in programming. It means that the series of characters in this string escapes for the moment, a very short moment, to introduce a special inclusion. Or in simple words, the backslash doesn't mean anything in itself, but is only a kind of announcement then that the next character after the backslash has a different meaning too. That the letter n placed after the backslash comes from the word new line. So both of them create a special symbol named a new line character, which tells the console to start a new output line. So when you type this, anything after that n, like any text, it will go onto the new line. So that's why you see here. So instead of just going long way writing print function another time, you can just insert this two letters and it will work automatically. So and so that's like one function of this print function. As like this one, there are a lot more. I also teach you another one, and the other one is a keyword argument. So I created a different file for the keyword argument. The keyword argument is end, as you see there. So I wrote this program: print my name is, then end, and then this in second line print my Monty Python. So the end. So as you see, the end has no arguments or no values passed on to it. So now we will run it and check what does that end do. So I will run it. So see, let's say when you created a new file, you will have to register it in order to use this button. So use the same process: run, click on run, not run print, run. Select the file you want to run. So I am to run the keyword argument. I will click on it. And see, we get this message: my name is Monty Python. So we're thinking this line is on the second one, the Monty Python is on the second line, then why it came together with this, why it collab with the first line? It's because of the end. So no new lines have been sent to the output as well through that. The string assigned to the end keyword argument can be of any length. You can experiment with it. So another thing is that the end. So this is what it does. It kind of collapses the line it is on to the next line. So let's say if you add a two dash, and when you run it, it will do a it will include or add the two dashes in front of Monty Python. And if I use a space, like a space after two dash, and when I run it, and see my name is then two dash Monty Python. But we will try something new. Let's say we add a new string. My name is, I'm going to add a comma here. My name is, my nickname is, and now we will try run this, and as you see we get this. So the end that doesn't like add a end to every line, like every argument on that line. So let's say if we add another line, just Monty, it will not catch it because it only catch the next line, not next two or three lines. So please note that. So guys, this is the end of today's video. So we will close the print chapter because we have learned enough for now. There are also like more keyword arguments that we'll learn in the future as we need it. So please subscribe, please like this video if you like it, and in next video we will learn something new. And I also hope you learned something new from my two videos and watch the previous part if you did not watch it already. And guys, I will see you next time. Bye bye. Till then, have a good day. See you.